everyone, I'm Chloe Hanford, and today we'll be looking at Canva's Content Planner app in order to learn how to schedule and streamline our social media presences using this amazing tool. For those of you who don't already know, this video is part of a tutorial series which accompanies my Digital Marketing for Good workshop. I created this workshop to teach high schoolers how to optimize digital platforms and tools to expand the outreach of their service-oriented clubs and initiatives. This was part of my Girl Scout Gold Award project. I've created an awesome website where you can find the lesson plans and more resources so that you can teach the workshop or just learn from it. So if you like this video or you're interested in learning more, the link's in the description. Go check it out. I think it's pretty cool. As a disclaimer, according to Girl Scout Gold Award rules, I cannot provide any advice on raising funds for any organization, so nothing in this video should be taken as advice for raising money of any sort. In addition, if you haven't heard of Canva before, I really encourage you to check out the other video that I made in this series that just goes through the basics of how you can use Canva to create posts and videos for your social media. Today we'll be focusing solely on the content planner aspect of the platform, so if you haven't already gone and checked that out, links in the description too. So let's start off with what is a content planner, because a lot of different platforms online offer content planners. Basically, a content planner is a calendar that you can use to schedule your social media posts as you create them. So the benefit of this is that you could sit down on one afternoon and create a ton of different social media posts just on that one afternoon, schedule them all to post so that each day you don't have to be logging into the Instagram, logging into the Facebook, and actually posting it physically. This can be really helpful and save you a lot of time, especially if you don't want to be devoting all of your resources to maintaining your social media presence, but still want to be out there. So with that, let's take a look at Canva's awesome content planner. So by the way, I'm using Canva Premium for Education. If you're interested in how you might be able to access that, check out my other video. Alright, so let's start by looking at the apps section of Canva. So you'll see here that there are a ton of different apps that you can integrate into your Canva experience, but I'm just going to select Content Planner. It should be recommended for you. And what pops up is this amazing calendar, and I'm actually going to move to the next page because it's almost August. So as you can see here, there's tons of blank space for the upcoming days, which I haven't filled out yet. So what this is going to look like eventually is a visual representation of everything that I'm going to post, and then Canva will actually post it to my social media accounts for me. So as you can see, they've already populated some social media holidays here. So for example, World Humanitarian Day might be a great one for a service initiative, as well as things like International Lefty Day, and you can add more calendars like religious holidays or US holidays, or for some other countries. So how do we use this? Okay. Well, the first thing that we should explore is features within the calendar. So you can see, you can change your view to see your events, just social media posts, or all the events that are out there. You can also have multiple calendars on your Canva, and you can actually even share this with your team. So for example, I could give access to everybody in my class or my team, depending on what kind of Canva subscription that you're using. You can give access to others to be able to either view or schedule on your calendar. Okay. So let's see if I click on World Humanitarian Day, because that's already an event that's on my calendar. So it already gives me a ton of cool suggestions for posts that I might have. Let's say that I really like this one. So then what it does, it opens up for me. I'm going to edit it however I want. For the sake of this video, I'm not really going to edit it at all. And then what do? I've edited it to my satisfaction. So the next thing that I'm going to do is click share. Now, normally, if I was going to do this the long way, I would download it and then I would open up my Instagram and I would post the PNG or the screenshot that I had saved, and then I would do this. But now there's an easier way. Now I can just click share on social. Now I could, because I've already linked my Facebook and my Instagram for my initiative to my Canva, I can go straight ahead and publish it there, but I want to use the schedule, and note that this is a premium feature, so you will have to use either Canva for Education, Canva for Nonprofit, or a Pro plan. So first I'm going to select my channel. The one I have linked right now is my Instagram, but you can add more, for example your LinkedIn, your Tumblr, whatever. So now I'm going to add a caption, so I'm just going to put, thank you so much for all your help, volunteers. So what it's done is it's already scheduled it for Saturday, 19th August, which is World Humanitarian Day, so that event is on there and I just added the post to it. But if I wanted to change it, let's say I want to post at a specific time because most of my followers are online at 12 a.m., for example, I could be doing that, and that would help me out. So now I can schedule it. I could also save it as a draft if I wasn't done with it, but I'm going to schedule it. And what it's done is it's collaborated with the Instagram schedule post function, so now it's already on there. And on August 19th, it will post. So I don't have to do anything more with that particular post. So look, as you can see, it's populated on here onto my calendar along with some other posts that I made previously. So that's great. So you can just create any post that you want, and then when you're done, you just click on share and you add it to your calendar. Note that for Instagram, it currently doesn't allow you to schedule a Instagram story or an Instagram reel, but you can put the draft here on your calendar so that you're reminded to upload that at the specific time. I think this is a really great feature because it means that I can sit down on Sunday for a few hours and create all the content that I need for the upcoming week. And then from there on, I can not have to worry about that for the rest of the week and focus on the things that are important to me with regards to running my service initiative. Now, back at the beginning of this video, I told you that Canva's Content Planner would allow you not only to schedule your posts, but also to streamline that. And a great example of what I mean is that you can actually view your posts analytics after they've already been posted within the app itself. So for example, I've already posted this Friendship Day graphic to my Instagram account. So I can see it here, it's been posted. I can click on Insights right here in the calendar and it will tell me all about my saves, likes, comments, impression, reach, etc. So this is super helpful because you can see, okay, this kind of post is getting more engagement or less engagement. Clearly, this template that wasn't edited by me at all is not getting any. So as you can see, you can also look for your insights. They might have a delay, but it's a super helpful feature so that as you're creating, you can think about how to create better. So I hope that you found this helpful and inspired you to use Canva's Content Planner for your service initiative. Feel free to check out other platforms' content planners as well. And thank you for watching.